Alamin natin kung magtatagal ba tong foundation na to. This is the Vice Cosmetic Dream Focus Foundation in the shade Light Medium 3. I-apply ko na yung foundation off cam or magfi-film ako ng onti lang kasi nagcha-charge pa yung phone ko. But let's do it! Foundation, brush. Ang ganda ng coverage. Sorry. Tatapusin ko lang yung makeup ko. I will be back. Hindi na pa ako tapos sa aking makeup. And oh my god, look how flawless my base is. Gamit ko yung Vice Cosmetics Elite Bundle. And wow, nakakaloka, ang kinis. Ginamit ko dito sa under eyes yung kanilang powder foundation and I love the effect. And as you can see, ilang hours na, around 2 hours. Oily lang here sa aking nose. Kumain na ako, nagluto, lahat ginawa ko talaga, oo. At tutulog naman ako and then mag-film ako right after. So let's see if ganito pa rin ba kaganda. Right? Foundation check under one panel light. As you can see, ang ganda pa rin ng aking base. Hindi pa rin siya nagbibitak-bitak kahit naglagay ako dito ng liquid blush and liquid highlighter. Dito naman nagkikrease na siya, but I think dahil na yan sa fine lines ko, ang ganda pa rin dito. Sa under eyes ko, minimal creasing, but lahat is parang skin finish lang. Ang ganda ng finish niya dito sa aking cheeks. So you can see, kahit may glow, hindi niya na-move yung foundation. And yung dito sa upper lip, pag na-blend ko talaga yan ng maayos, hindi nawawala yung foundation. Kaya tingnan nyo naman. This is how the foundation looks like. Medyo pakakalak yung blush ko, but everything still looks pretty. And time check, it's already 10 p.m. Kanina pa to 1:45 yung makeup ko and still, ang ganda niya. Natulog na ako nito ha. Nagluto, kumain, pasabog.